I have another bug that we get to sing about, and it's our baby butterfly. Do you remember our song? But I have something special for you today. This is our baby butterfly bug hunt. Isn't this fun to see? Our bugs came back to give us a hint. It says, caterpillar, grasshopper, butterfly, bug. Can you say that with me 4 times? Are you ready? Caterpillar, grasshopper, butterfly, bug. Caterpillar, grasshopper, butterfly, bug. Caterpillar, grasshopper, butterfly, bug. Caterpillar, grasshopper, butterfly, bug. We got really fast at that, didn't we? Aw, poor Slug. He says they forgot me. Why? He is so slow. We don't have any room for him in this fast song. This time, will you clap butterfly every time we say it? And on the second verse, can you follow the bugs? And I really want to hear you sing the last line where the bugs came back to give us a hint. Are you ready?
I'm bringing home a baby butterfly now. The bumblebee didn't like me somehow, so I'm bringing home a baby butterfly now. Won't my mommy be very proud of me now?
Let's watch our bugs. Just listen until the end. Then you can sing along. But I'll sing the whole thing.
Bug, caterpillar, beetle, butterfly, beetle, beetle, grasshopper, caterpillar, grasshopper, caterpillar, beetle, butterfly.
Ready?
Caterpillar, grasshopper, butterfly, bug.
I heard all of our bugs in there. I'm glad we could go on a bug hunt and find our bugs hiding in our songs. Did you know that every song has bugs hiding in it? All over. If it's a fast song, you'll hear lots of caterpillar, grasshopper. If it's a slow song, you'll hear slug, slug. Do you think you can listen to the other songs on our audio tracks? And can you find some bugs hiding on those too? That will be so fun for you.